Hello, everyone. You guys know how obsessed I've been with this song, I Believe, written by Ndudirim Nwachukwu. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the alto line because I'm a die-hard alto singer, and I hope I get the solfa notes correctly. All right, so happy listening. Do do mi fa do fa 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 so la so fi so mi fa mi so fa so mi so fa la mi la fa mi. I believe in the Holy Father. I believe in the Son and Spirit. Oh, yes, I believe in the Holy Blessed Triune God. I believe in a hill called Calvary. Jesus died to redeem my soul. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I believe. Oh, yes, I believe in Jesus. I believe he died to save me. I believe. Oh, yes, I believe he died. Oh, yes, I believe he died on Calvary to redeem my soul. Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, I believe.